the celebration and make a toast to Phoebe. She dropped your sock. What? No, Emma dropped her sock. Mom's here. I wanted to have lunch with her today. She told me she was out of town. She still has not noticed that the baby sock is on the ground. It's a good toast. Will you please get her attention of mommy? Oh, for God's sake, Judy, pick up the sock, pick up the sock, pick up. Heck, I'm sorry, was that rude? So come on, explain yourself. Jella, first you get my Rachel pregnant. You got Rachel pregnant? Who did? You did? Yes, I did, but it was just a one night thing, meant nothing. Oh really, that's what my daughter means to you? Nothing? No sir, she means a lot to me. I mean, I care, I love Rachel. What? Oh, but not that way. I mean I'm not in love with her. I love her like a friend. Oh really, that's how you treat a friend? You get her in trouble and then you refuse to marry her. Hey, I offered to marry her, but I didn't want to. Well, why not? So you can spend your time with this. I'm sorry, Dr. Green. Mona, Dr. Green, how could you have kept all of this from me? I was going to tell you, but what? You figured you get what you wanted, then you dump her like you did Rachel. Hey, I did not dump Rachel, nor are we still together. Oh can I? Why don't we just let the machine get that? Hey Roz, it's Joey. There's a hooker over here and we thought maybe you know something about it. No, I need to lie. Music down. Kathy, hi Kathy, music. See, touch it. Music, CYY. Kathy, hey Chandler, what are you doing here? I just want to say hey. Okay Ross, you got to stop. Okay, you can't just stare through the peephole for 3 hours. You are going to get pee by. I knew it. I always knew she liked him. You know she'd say no, but here we are, right? We just broke up. First thing she does. You didn't just break up. Yeah, you'd been like 3 weeks. You slept with somebody 3 hours after you thought you broke up. I mean, bullets have left guns. Slower, here they come. Here they are. If she kisses myself, I swear I can't watch. Come on, date over. Oh here we go. She's going in. Okay, she's going in. He's going in. Keep going in. The door's closed. I can't see anything but the door closed, and the inventor of the door rests happily in his grave. Okay, I have to do something. I mean, I have to stop it. Stop what? I don't know, but I have a feeling that my being there will do it. I'll go over and I will borrow something. Juice, I need juice. No, it must be stuck. I am your friend and I am not going to let you do this. You are surprisingly strong. I need juice. People need juice. Look man, people need juice. S to me, juice. I applause. Need. She's moving on. Okay, if it's not this guy, it's going to be somebody else, and unless you are thinking about subletting my people, you are going to have to get used to the fact that the relationship is over. Okay man, it's over. Yeah, okay, it's just I miss her so much. I know, but listen, I saw down at the hardware store they got those designer tiles on sale. If you ever want to redo your bathroom floor. What's wrong with my bathroom floor? Nothing, it's just old and dingy, that's all. I highly doubt that. Oh yeah, if you move your hamper, you can see the color, the how I used to be. Yeah, I can't live like this. What are we going to do? Relax here, hold this old stuff comes right up. I'll show you little more than I want to see. Look at that, every inch of this is glued down. It take forever to pry this up. You should just leave it. I can't leave it. You couched a hole in my dingy floor. There you go. Yeah, that's nice. You know we can put it back there after the surgeons remove it from your colon. Oh my god, Jay just left though. Yeah, but maybe it's not what we think. Maybe it's tell Monica I'm sorry I drank the last of the milk, or maybe he was writing to tell her that he's changed his name. You know, tell Monica I'm sorry. I think it means he freaked out and left. Don't be so negative. God, 4 months, but if time was what you needed just to gain a little perspective, we were on the break coffee house, you bet. And for the record, it took 2 people to break up this relationship. Yeah, you and that girl from the copy place, which yesterday you took full responsibility for. I didn't know what I was taking responsibility for. Okay, I didn't finish the whole letter. What? I fell asleep. You fell asleep. It was 5:30 in the morning and you had rambled on for 18 pages front and back. And By the way, why you apostrophe RE means you are, why R means you're, you know. I can't believe I even thought of getting back together with you. We are so over fine by me. Oh, and hey, those little spelling tips will come in handy when you're at home on Saturday nights playing Scrabble with Monica. Hey, sorry, I just feel bad about all that sleep you are going to miss. Wishing you were with me. Oh no, don't you worry about me falling asleep. I still have your letter. How could someone get a hold of your credit card number? I have no idea, but look how much they spent. Monica, would you calm down? The credit card people said you only have to pay for the stuff that you bought. Still, it's just such reckless spending. I think when somebody steals your credit card, they've kind of already throwing caution to the wind. Wow, what a geek. They spent $69.95 on a Wonder Mop. That's laughter. Me off the yuck. Ross, he's doing it again. Marcel, stop humping in the land. Stop humping now. Marcel, come back. Come here, Marcel. No, not in my room. I'll get him. Ross, you've got to do something about the humping. What, it's just a phase. Well, that's what we said about Joey. Hey, would you all relax? It's not that big a deal. Marcel, stop it. Marcel, bad monkey. What? Let's just say my Curious George doll is no longer curious. I have a weird feeling about this place. And how do I know they're not going to secretly videotape me and put it all over the internet? Because honey, and I mean this in the sweetest way possible. Specimen, you know I usually have to call a 900 number for that kind of talk. Thanks, got it. All right honey, my tests are down the hall. You sure you are going to be okay? Yeah, I guess. Look, I know this is embarrassing, but nobody cares. No one here even knows you. Oh my. Applause. God, oh come on. Applause. Laughter. How great is this? Yeah, we're probably fertile. Let's go home. Why are you here? Well, Sid and I are trying again, and we had trouble last time because apparently we know. I mean, why is she here? Oh, someone's a little cranky today cause they have to do it in a cup each of. They gave you the kitty size. Music. What? This was fun, but I've got an invasive vaginal exam to get to. I'd love to stay, but I've got a hot date. Please go. Just let me know if you need a hand. Okay, Rachel, you're up first. Situation number 1. You're with Monica. The wedding is about to start. When Monica gets cold feet, go. I don't want to marry Chandler. Okay, it's going to be okay. One man the rest of my life. I don't know if I could do it. This means I'll never get to sleep with Joey. Look, Monica, getting cold feet is very common. You know, it's just because of all the anticipation, and you just have to remember that you love Chandler. And also, I ran out on a wedding. You don't get to keep the gifts. Very good drawing on your own experience. I like that. Yes, very nice, Rachel. Thank you. Judges. Oh, kiss as okay. Phoebe. Yes, your honor. We're now in the ceremony. Monica is about to say I do when her drunk uncle starts yelling, what do you do? Go. When Monak was a little girl, I remember that. Oh, very good. Yes, excellent, perfect score. Right a minute, she just made a scene in the middle of the ceremony. Hey, you want a little taste of feeds? Wants to go first? Okay. Applause. Okay, welcome to America. Applause. Or go 2 in a row. You got to use your tongues. Laughter. Now what are the odds? What are the okay, that's enough. You know, let someone else play. If you didn't want to play, then why would you come to the party? Something new in the ball. Look, we have enough. Just walk away. No, but I want the pine cones. There's a forest right outside. It's not the same. Okay, go quick. Thank you for a delightful stay. My maple candy. Everybody else, finally we can start celebrating. I'm sorry, apparently I've opened the door to the past. Okay, Monica, man. Okay, what you just saw? Can I ask you just a little question? Why tonight? What? See, I've been waiting my whole life to be engaged, and unlike some people, I only planning on doing this once. So maybe this is selfish, and I'm sorry about it, but I was kind of hoping tonight could just be about that. Oh honey, but it's not. No, now it's about you and Ross getting back together. What? Yeah, you kind of stole my thunder. Okay, Hovo, we do not steal your thunder because we are not getting back together. Yeah, no, and you know what? Nobody even saw. Yeah, that's true. I swear we just kissed. It was just a kiss. You guys kissed. What does This mean are you get back together, can I sing at your wedding, thunder being stolen, okay come on be it's nothing, come let not make a big deal out of this, it was a one-time thing, it doesn't even matter, oh my god I cannot believe you guys are talking about this, the problems in the bedroom between a man and a woman, alright now Chandler is doing the best he can, your boyfriend has been in there for over an hour, can't believe it, it's like I'm living with him again, he's here when I go to sleep, he's here when I wake up, he's here when I want to use the shower, feel like I'm 16 all over again, well you are not 16, you are both adults, now get out you doofers, or you know he's rubber in your glue, all yours, I hope you cleaned your hair out of the drain, I hope you cleaned your hair out of the drain, shut up, cut it out, me, I've never wanted you more, I want to watch entertainment tonight, tough nuggies were watching Predators of the Serengeti, would you guys stop, it's my TV, what, quit it, bye.